Hello everyone, welcome back to IndianCoding.com. Today we are going to study about CSS Combinator. So let's see what is it. First I will type the HTML format and then our title. What is the title? I will give the title as lecture 25th and then lecture 25th slash what is the name of the title, that is combinators. Okay, fine. So we'll start by this chapter today. This is one of the easiest chapter in the CSS form. So let's see, this is the title we are having. So codes are working well. And then we'll start by the body tab. So first, let me give you the H1 heading. So we will write some codes inside the H1 heading. So let me write that heading 1. Okay. After writing that, I will write one more tag. In that case, I will mention the related something combinator. So first let me explain what is combinator. So in that case, what is combinator actually? A combinator is something that explains the relationship between the selector. So it will help you to understand the relationship between the selector. So inside the div, I have mentioned the div here. Inside the div, the tag is available. I will mention one paragraph. This is a paragraph. So that is how you can mention the paragraph here. And then after that, I will mention one more paragraph. That is, this is another paragraph. Okay, there are two paragraphs are mentioned here. Inside the after the title, I will mention the style tag, and inside the style tag, I will mention what all the changes I need to do. So after that, one paragraph I will use after the division, that is a paragraph outside div. Okay, I will mention these three kind of paragraphs, and now on screen you can see that three paragraphs are available. Okay, fine. After that, what is happening? I may need to make some changes here. How to make changes in case of the combinator? Fine. So first let me mention the div. So I will make some changes inside the div. So the color should be of any color that you want to do. For example, I use blue color. And then so now on screen you can see that if I'm going to run this, whatever things that are available inside the div part is in the form of blue color. Now on screen you can see that these are the things available inside the division. So it is coming in the blue color. So you understood. This is the form of division. Now let me write only P will come inside the division. So I selected P. So this is the combination of selectors. So whatever things you will select, that thing only will come in blue color. So now heading is not in the color of blue because I chose division, but the paragraphs only, not the headings. That is why it is like that. Only paragraphs are coming. Why the third paragraph is not in blue? Because it is outside the division. It is not inside the division. Now let me write division. And then I will mention division greater than sign and H1 color red. Okay, what does this mean? This is mean child selector. This means child selector. So now on screen you can see that H1 is also coming in the case of red color. Okay, so that was the sign of child selector. There are different kind of combinators are available. So H1 you understood. How can you do that? So this is how you can do that with the help of child selector. Child selector selects all the elements that are children of the specified element. So it will help you to select the children that are available in the specified elements. Okay. The second thing I will write division, that is div plus P. Okay. In that case, adjacent sibling selector. That is adjacent sibling selector. The adjacent sibling selector used to select an element that is directly after the another specified element. So let me after writing this, I have given the blue color. So now on screen you can, what is the next thing that is available? That is the third paragraph. So it is automatically coming that the after div, the paragraph which is available is in the color of blue. So this is how you can write the plus, that is adjacent sibling selector. Okay. So now you understand what are the two kinds of elements that are available. the adjacent and the child selector are available, and this is one of the easiest way how can you do that. You don't need to write every single thing and do it. You just need all these signs and it will automatically provide you these kind of changes. Okay, so that is how you can create it. The next thing we are going to write div, and let me write that sign, then I will tell you what is the meaning of that sign. So in case of the third one, the another one we are having is general sibling selector. Okay, what is general sibling selector? A general sibling selector selects all the elements that are the next sibling of the specified element. So now on screen you can see, once I write it, what was the next element, it will come in the font style of italic. Okay, so now you understood what is the next sibling that is available will come in that form. So these are the form you can try to do. Now you will be able to understand. See, one more changes I have created. So that is how you can do it. So that's all for today's class. Tomorrow we'll study about more features related to CSS. Thank you so much.